Welcome to CEO Water Shop DIY Concept. We wish to introduce the DIY concept in-home water filter for you. This clip is a simple guide to show you method of installing a single diverter for single stage or double stages countertop water filter. First, wrap white tape at the join part of faucet. Reason of wrapping white tape it is to prevent water leak at the joint part. Let white tape cover the joint part accordingly. Inspect the component of single diverter. Check the seat washer condition. Make sure the washer sits properly inside the diverter body. Install the coupling nut to the joint part. Use big mouth prayer to tighten the coupling nut. The lower part of diverter should be held by the other hand when the coupling nut is tightened. Now you check the joint part of the diverter by open the valve. Observe the water flow from faucet. If no water leak from the joint part, you have installed the diverter correctly. Else, you need to open the coupling nut and repeat the steps again from the beginning. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy the clip presented by CEO Water Shop DIY Concept. See you again in the next DIY clip. Or visit us at www.ceowater.com.my.